Love to be lied to. Done nothing, say nothing. I know we'll meet again.
Lucky enough to get a last-minute spot at this retreat in Arizona. Let me give you a tour of this incredible place.
I'm Jack.
I'm David.
Maybe
Also.
I'm the cap. I'm Raj. I love.
Hi. Yes. Absolutely. I thought you were.
Hi.
Hello, how are
What's
you?
your name?
I'm Tammy.
What's your spirit animal?
Oh, my spirit animal, I think it's a lion.
Ooh, I like that.
I'm so interested.
Yours is the...
I'm a fire-breathing dragon.
Oh,
What am I gonna do?
obviously. What's your name?
My name is Matt Carley.
What's your spirit animal?
Spirit animal, I would say golden retriever.
So this whole thing is you?
This whole thing?
Yeah, Maker, tell me more about it.
It's a community effort.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're trying to build the world's best founder community for young people.
Good. What's your name?
Sarah,
And what's your spirit animal?
elephant.
Why is that?
They represent empathy. They live a long time. They're very healthy.
Hell yeah. And what's something that nobody knows about you?
For the camera, I enjoy doing spoken word poetry
Whoa.
to myself.
Islam Rumi? I got like the first place in reverse order, so I hope this is waterproof.
Surely.
Surely,
Oh, he's meditating. Holy shit, I'd be terrified.
This is
Fucking Shaolin monk.
This is a Shaolin showdown.
David?
A powerful shot from David knocks out Barrage, and we are on to the second round!
Skips. Oh. Oh.
Butts.
Fight! You're supposed to fight with your butts, by the way.
We're just watching. Oh!
Oh, butt to face!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Alan is the winner! Fight!
Oh! On to the finals.
Our champion, Omar!
I don't know why I'm happy, but
Brings back memories, I think.
We've got Brandon himself, Will I Am, Sarah J. Mass. Let's go. Alex Hormozy. What is that? White noise?
White noise.
I like it. Intimidation tactics. Oh, no! Oh, let's go! How does it feel to win?
Feels good. Feels good. Feels addictive.
We supported you
Feels
guys.
addictive.
We supported
putting the
Team
ring
White.
on.
Don't look at me, look at the abs.
Any questions with this? You guys got it? 6. Josh, you gotta get in here, buddy.
Shit, where you at?
Coming up next.
Omar! Because of you, everything's too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I want to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, all the stress not only me, but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. Did you? Yeah. What are you talking about? $100! 100! $5! $10! 10! 20! 30! 100!
Who gets the money?
Well, that's what I was gonna say. Really? You have to pick a charity. Yes. And I bid 1,000.
In good spirit, I'll bid 2,000 and we split it and a K to whatever charity each.
I said we do 5K, we split it 25.
Hey, we have a deal? You guys are splitting 5K?
Whatever each, whatever charity.
Oh, God, I'm good.
Dude, you're a celebrity now. Oh my god.
Bro, Hallerstein.
Dude, I was gonna put it in the
Sabrina. Woo! Maddie.
Thank you, Matt. Thank you so much.